On the screen you can see easily we need to generate 10,000 plus digital art. We need Visual Studio Code, then generative art Node.main, and then Node.js. So simple in easy language I can say, for generating 10,000 plus images we need a Visual Studio Code. So what is Visual Studio Code? It is a simple code editor. So we can download from the internet and we can install from the simple steps. Okay. Then in the second point you can see generative art Node.main. It is the source code. Using this source code we will easily create 10,000 plus digital images. So don't be confused. I will tell you step by step. A non-technical person can also easily generate by using and by following my steps. Then the third point is Node.js. Okay. This is also in software we will install. First we will download, then we will install in our system. Okay, it is supportive software for Visual Studio Code. So don't be confused. Let's go on our browser and let's start. So here we have our browser and we can simply type Visual Studio Code. Okay, and we can search Visual Studio Code on Google also. You can see the result here, and let's go on download. Open this link. So here you can see the download button for Windows, the Linux, and for the Mac. Okay, so here we need an installer for 64-bit. Let me download. Okay, so it's downloading. Let's download on desktop. Perfect. Okay, this is 76.2 MB. Just wait for the downloading. So our download is completed. Okay, let's install, and first let's see. Okay, and click on the setup of VS Code. You can see here we need to accept the agreement. Next, click on next, and then next, and next. Create a desktop icon, then again next, and installing. So the Visual Studio is completely installed in our system. You can see here Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Let's click on finish, and just it's opening. Okay, so don't be confused. You can see here. Okay, and here you can see the icon of Visual Studio Code. You can see this. Let's open this. Okay, and okay, and let's minimize this, and you can see here this is the source code we have. Let's cut this and open this source code using of Visual Studio Code. So go to file, click on open folder, and go to desktop and search generative art Node.main. Select this folder and click on select folder. Okay, perfect. So on this file I will tell you what we will do. Okay, and this is index.js. So perfect. Now we have completed two steps. Visual Studio Code, we have installed Visual Studio Code, and we have add this generative art Node.main in our Visual Studio Code. Okay, we have already opened. So now the third point is we need to download and install the Node.js. How can we download Node.js and install in our system? Simply open a new tab and type Node.js and download, and in the first link you will get download Node.js. So click on Node.js, and here you will get two options. First is for Windows installer, second is for Mac OS. So click on Windows installer. By clicking on Windows installer, you will get a downloadable file. So I already downloaded, you can see here in my desktop. Okay, so you can click on save for downloading the first time. I'm going to click on cancel because I already downloaded it. Okay, and you can see here the file, the installer, and if I click on this installer, you will see a setup wizard is started. So simply by clicking on next, you will be able to install this node.js easily. Okay, I already installed in my system. So simply by following the next button, you will be easily installed this node.js. I hope you got this. So I'm going to cancel this. Okay, finish. So if you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me the question.